How to create multiple Phantom wallets. In order to do it, you need to first open your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now on the home page, you will be able to see your profile or your account number in the top left hand corner of the screen. So you need to tap on it, and here you will be able to see the accounts or the number of wallets that you have. If you want to create a new account, then tap on the add/connect wallet option and then select the first option of create a new account. Now here you can either give the name to your account or you can even keep it as account 2. Then tap on the create option, and as you can see that if I refresh the page, it has shown me that I have now 2 accounts. So with the help of this method, you can create as many accounts as you want. You simply have to tap on the connect wallet or the add option, and you need to just create new account. So this way you can create multiple accounts in your Phantom wallets. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.